Hi friends, welcome to Techno Leadership Insights. The ability to think logically, clearly and cut through the crap is very important for technical people. However, sometimes situations that appear simple at the outset may confuse some. Test and stimulate your logical thinking capability through three such challenging scenarios. Scenario 1. In a street market, two women, Sita and Geeta, were selling apples. Sita was selling 3 for rupees 100 and Geeta 2 for rupees 100. During the day, Sita had to attend some urgent work. So, she requested Geeta to sell her apples too. She handed over Geeta 30 apples left with her and asked Geeta to sell them at the rate of 3 for rupees 100. Incidentally, Geeta too had exactly 30 apples left with her. So she decided to mix them and sell at average rate of 5 for rupees 200 or 1 for rupees 40. She had a brisk sale that day and sold off all 60 apples quickly. When Sita returned, Geeta handed over rupees 1000 to her. When Geeta looked at money left with her, she was surprised. She was left with only rupees 1400, not 1500 she was expecting. Where did rupees 100 go? I'll give you 30 seconds. If you need more time, pause the video. When apples were mixed, average price was not rupees 40, rather it was 41.67. Since she sold each apple at rupees 40 rather than 41.67, she incurred a loss of rupees 100. She made a quick math and lost rupees 100. Have a better, more creative explanation? Share in comment section. Scenario 2. One day, a shopkeeper was selling goods at cost with zero margin. A person buys goods worth of rupees 100 from the shop. He gives shopkeeper rupees 2000 note. Shopkeeper gets change from next shop, keeps rupees 100 for himself and returns rupees 1900 to the person. Later in the day, next shopkeeper returns the rupees 2000 note saying fake note and takes his money back. What will be total loss for shopkeeper? I'll give you 30 seconds. If you need more time, pause the video. Loss was rupees 2000 only. After all, if the note was genuine, he wouldn't have had any loss at all. Many people get confused and add money returned to customer with that of fake note value. Have a better, more creative explanation? Share in comment section. Scenario 3. Three friends had dinner in a restaurant. Each person paid rupees 100, which was cost of dinner. Since they were regular customers, restaurant owner decides to give rupees 50 discount. He sends 5 10 rupee notes to the waiter. When waiter gave 5 notes, each person took one note and returned 2 notes as tips. So each person paid rupees 90 for dinner and waiter had rupees 20. All this adds up to rupees 290. Where did balance 10 rupee go? I'll give you 30 seconds. If you need more time, pause the video. Total money transacted was only rupees 270. Many people get confused by mixing up money given with money collected. Have a better, more creative explanation? Share in comment section. Thanks for watching. See you next time.